So today's menu on Kachi's Kitchen, it's prawns, shrimp, okay? So we'll be making shrimp, and this is gonna be our major ingredients, okay? It's gonna be all about shrimp. We're making shrimp all about the ingredient, all about the recipe, okay? So what we'll do here, we need lots of garlic. You don't, not a cup, not one or two, just you need lots of garlic, okay? Because it's garlic shrimp, okay? So we need loads of garlic and coriander. Yes. So what I'll be doing is coriander. We need the roots. So we also need fish sauce. We need sugar, a little bit of sugar, and we have black pepper, white pepper and black pepper here. We have flour, okay, to dip in. So what we'll have to do now, it's, you see how I chop this? I chop this just like this. Chop the roots and in the mortar, okay? So chop this too, it's enough, okay? So, and this with this garlic. So we have to pound our garlic, okay, roughly. So, but meanwhile, before we pound this garlic, let's put our oil on fire because we'll be frying this. So let the oil get hot. So here's our garlic and coriander roots. So now we're mixing this with our prawns. So what we have to do again, is add our white pepper. Add our sugar, our fish sauce, and mix. So here is our shrimp after mixing. So next thing I want to do is to put it in, dip it in here, then fry. Oil is hot, you can see bubbles. So what goes in is our prawns.